You might think constipation is just an inevitable part of getting older. But did you know that recent research suggests 99% of constipation cases can be managed through simple dietary changes? That's right. You don't have to accept digestive discomfort as your new normal. Have you been reaching for laxatives more often lately? Are you feeling bloated, uncomfortable, or just not quite yourself? You're not alone, and more importantly, you have more control than you might think. Stay with me until the end, because you'll learn about 5 everyday foods that could help restore your natural digestive rhythm. No harsh medications needed. You'll discover gentle, science-backed strategies that could help you feel more comfortable and confident every single day. Let's talk honestly about something that affects millions of people over 60. Have you noticed that your digestive system just doesn't work the way it used to? Do you find yourself dealing with infrequent bowel movements, that heavy, stuffy feeling in your abdomen, or that uncomfortable bloating that seems to linger? Are you tired of depending on over-the-counter laxatives that sometimes leave you with cramps or that uncomfortable urgency? You deserve better than that cycle of discomfort and dependency. Here's what many people don't realize. Constipation in seniors is incredibly common, but it's also incredibly overlooked. Too many healthcare providers, and even we ourselves, just accept it as part of aging. But studies show that's simply not true. Is this something you've experienced? That gradual shift where your digestive system seems to slow down, leaving you feeling less energetic and, frankly, just not your best self? Let me share something that might surprise you. Experts have found that the right foods can actually restore your body's natural digestive rhythm without any harsh chemicals or medications. Studies show that specific nutrients work together to support healthy bowel function in ways that are both gentle and effective. Have you ever wondered why some foods seem to help while others don't? It comes down to understanding how your digestive system actually works. As we age, our bodies need different types of support, particularly when it comes to fiber, natural sugars, and beneficial bacteria. Research reveals that fiber-rich foods don't just add bulk to your stool, they actually help soften it, making elimination more comfortable. Natural sugars like sorbitol act as gentle, natural laxatives, drawing water into your intestines and stimulating that healthy movement your body craves. And here's something fascinating. Probiotics, those beneficial bacteria we hear so much about, they're not just trendy health buzzwords. For older adults, they're essential for maintaining the healthy gut flora that supports regular, comfortable digestion. Do you notice how your body responds differently to foods now than it did when you were younger? That's completely normal, and it's exactly why these targeted nutritional approaches work so well. Now let's talk about 3 mistakes I see people making when trying to address constipation naturally. Are you doing any of these? Mistake number 1, relying only on insoluble fiber. Have you been told to just eat more fiber without understanding that there are actually 2 types? Are you loading up on things like wheat bran or raw vegetables, thinking more is always better? While insoluble fiber is important, it's soluble fiber that often provides the most gentle, effective relief for mature adults. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance that helps everything move smoothly through your system. Are you getting enough soluble fiber in your daily routine? Have you checked your habits lately to see if you're getting the right balance? Mistake number 2, not drinking enough water with fiber. This is huge. Are you increasing your fiber intake, but forgetting to increase your water intake? Fiber without adequate water can actually make constipation worse, not better. Your body needs that extra hydration to help the fiber do its job effectively. Is this part of your daily routine? Making sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, especially when you're eating fiber-rich foods? Mistake number 3, expecting immediate results. Have you ever tried a natural approach for a day or 2, then given up because you didn't see instant results? Your digestive system needs time to adjust and respond to dietary changes. Unlike harsh laxatives that force quick results, natural foods work by supporting your body's own processes, and that takes a little patience. Could you see yourself committing to gentle, consistent changes rather than looking for that overnight fix? Now, let's talk about 5 everyday foods that studies show can make a real difference in your digestive comfort. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're simple, accessible options you can find at any grocery store. Food number 1, prunes. Have you dismissed prunes as old-fashioned? It's time to reconsider. Research shows that prunes contain both sorbitol, a natural sugar that acts as a gentle laxative, and fiber that helps soften stool. Studies with older adults found that eating 5 to 6 prunes daily was more effective than many over-the-counter options and much gentler on the system. Could you try adding a few prunes to your morning routine? They're naturally sweet and can be added to oatmeal, yogurt, or enjoyed on their own. Food number 2, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like consistency that helps promote smooth passage through your digestive system. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support both heart and brain health. Would you consider adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to your morning smoothie or stirring them into a glass of water? They're virtually tasteless and incredibly easy to incorporate. Food number 3, oats. Are you already eating oats? If so, you're on the right track. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that not only helps with stool bulk and regularity, but also supports healthy cholesterol levels and blood sugar control. It's like getting multiple health benefits in one simple food. Have you tried steel-cut oats or overnight oats? They're particularly rich in this beneficial fiber and can be prepared in ways that make them more enjoyable and easier to digest. Food number 4, sweet potatoes. Here's a delicious option you might not have considered. Sweet potatoes provide both soluble and insoluble fiber, plus they're high in water content. They also contain resistant starch, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, essentially acting as a prebiotic to support your digestive health. Could you see yourself roasting sweet potatoes as a side dish or adding them to soups and stews? They're naturally sweet and incredibly versatile. Food number 5, kefir. This probiotic-rich drink is like a more powerful version of yogurt. Studies show that the beneficial bacteria in kefir can help restore healthy gut flora, which is crucial for regular, comfortable digestion. Unlike some probiotics that might not survive stomach acid, kefir's bacteria are particularly hardy and effective. Have you tried kefir? It has a slightly tangy taste that many people find refreshing, and it can be enjoyed plain or blended into smoothies. If any of these foods sound familiar, or if you're already eating some of them, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with natural digestive support. And if you're thinking, I want to try this approach, comment, I'm ready for change below. Sometimes just making that commitment to yourself and to this supportive community can be the first step toward feeling better. Have you been dealing with digestive discomfort for a while? Share your story if you're comfortable doing so. You might be surprised how many people can relate to what you're going through. Now you might be wondering, how do you actually incorporate these foods into your daily routine? The key is starting gently and building gradually. Would you consider trying just one of these foods for a week? Pick the one that sounds most appealing to you. Maybe it's adding a few prunes to your breakfast or stirring chia seeds into your morning drink. Are you someone who likes to plan ahead? You might try preparing overnight oats with chia seeds on Sunday night, so you have several days' worth of digestive support ready to go. Here's something important. Have you been tracking how different foods affect your system? Consider keeping a simple food diary for a week. You might notice patterns that help you understand what works best for your body. Remember, experts recommend increasing fiber gradually to give your digestive system time to adjust. Could you commit to making one small change each week rather than trying to overhaul everything at once? What's beautiful about these natural approaches is that they offer benefits beyond just digestive comfort. Have you noticed that when your digestion is working well, you tend to feel more energetic overall? These foods aren't just about addressing constipation, they're supporting your overall health. The fiber in oats helps with heart health. The omega-3s in chia seeds support brain function. The probiotics in kefir boost your immune system. Sweet potatoes provide antioxidants that support healthy aging. Are you looking for ways to feel more vibrant and energetic? Supporting your digestive system might be one of the most impactful changes you can make. Do you notice how interconnected your body systems are? When your gut is happy, it often shows up in better sleep, more stable mood, and increased energy throughout the day. I want you to know that taking control of your digestive health at any age is not only possible, it's empowering. Have you been feeling frustrated with your body lately? It's completely understandable, but please don't give up on yourself. Your body has an incredible ability to respond to gentle, consistent care. Could you approach this with patience and self-compassion? Remember, you're not trying to fix something broken. You're supporting your body's natural processes. Are you ready to move away from that cycle of discomfort and dependency on harsh medications? These natural approaches work with your body, not against it. You deserve to feel comfortable and confident in your own body. Is that something you're willing to work toward? One small step at a time? If you've stayed with me this far, I know you're serious about taking charge of your digestive health. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more gentle, science-backed health tips designed specifically for adults who want to feel their best. Comment, "Feeling my best," below if you're committed to trying at least one of these natural approaches. I read every comment and love connecting with this amazing community of people who refuse to accept discomfort as inevitable. Which of these 5 foods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your plan and cheer you on. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in how you feel every single day. Your choices matter, and change is absolutely possible at any age. You have more control over your digestive health than you might think. Be gentle with yourself as you make these changes. Your body is incredibly wise, and when you give it the right support, it knows exactly what to do. Here's to feeling comfortable, confident, and completely yourself at any age.